Hello everyone, welcome to Mentor Buddy. This is your mentor Akhil. Here we are going to discuss the question which is based on linear equation. Now coming directly to the question first. The question says 3 mangoes and 4 apple cost rupees 85. Then 5 apples and 6 peaches cost rupees 122. Then 6 mangoes and 2 peaches cost rupees 114. Then what will be the combined price of 1 apple, 1 peach and 1 mango? And the listed options are 37, 39, 35 and 36. Now in this kind of question, the concept which works for the linear equation, that is whatever the number of unknown will be, number of solutions will also be same. Number of unknown requires the number of equation. If the number of unknown are 3 and number of equation are again 3, you are going to solve it. If the number of unknown are 2, then number of equation are also 2, then again we are able to solve it. Now applying the same logic in the question. Okay, one thing, let's represent mango by M, apple by A, and this peaches, let's say, by P. So first it says 3 mangoes plus 4 apple cost is rupees 85. Then it says 5 apple plus 6 peaches cost is 122 rupees, and finally it says 6 mangoes plus 2 peaches cost rupees 114. Then what will be the cost of 1 apple plus 1 peach plus 1 mango? What will be the effective cost of these 3 quantities? Now you can see there are 3 unknown, that is mango, apple and peach, and there are 3 equation. Now let's say this is first equation, this will be second equation, and this is going to be third equation. In the very first step, what we are going to do, we are going to add all 3 equations. Adding all 3 equations will give me 9 mangoes plus 9 apple plus 8 peaches is equals to the summation of 114, 122 and 85. That will be equals to 321. Now modifying the same equation, we can write the same to be as 8 times of mango plus apple plus peach plus mango plus apple is equals to 321. So what I have done, I have taken 1 mango from this and 1 apple from this and 8 peaches as it is. So the same equation can be written as like this is going to be the summation of first 3 equation. Now the main agenda is to get the value of M and A over here in order to get the value of 8 into M plus A plus P. Now how I'm going to get the value of M and A? Now from equation 2 and 3, what I'm going to do, I'm going to equate P, and in equating P we'll get another equation between A and M. Now getting the value of P in second equation, that will be equals to 5A minus 122 by 6. That will be 5A minus 122 by 6, and the value of P in the third equation will be 114 minus 6m by 2, and we can see the value of P is definitely going to be same in both the cases. Solving this and getting the equation, another equation between A and M, so that will be 2 3 times. So this further can be written as like 5A minus 122 is equals to 342 minus 18m. Further solving this will become 18m minus 5a is equals to 220. Now this is going to be one another equation between between m and a. So let's mark this equation to be as fourth equation. Now we can see that first equation and this fourth equation are both between m and a. So solving them simultaneously and getting the value of m and a. So here I'm writing the first equation also, that will become 3m plus 4a is equals to 85. Now equating with respect to a, I'll multiply by 4 in this equation and 5 in this equation. So the new equation will form, that will be 72m minus 20a is equals to 880, and the second equation will become 15m plus 20a is equals to 425. Solving them simultaneously, this will be subtracted and this will become 87m is equals to 1305. Solving this, m will be equals to 1305 by 87, that will be equals to 15. So the value of m is coming out to be as 15. I'm writing here, this value is coming out to be as 15. Now framing this value of m in this first equation, what I'm saying, framing this value of m in this equation and getting the value of a. So here we are going to get the value of a. So this will become 3 into 15 plus 4a is equals to 85. So this will be equals to 85. So 4a will be equals to 85 minus 45, that will be equals to 40, and a will be equals to 40 upon 4, that will be equals to 10. So we are getting the value of a to be as 10. So we are getting the two values, that is a and m, to be as 10 and 15. Now framing this value of a and this value of m in this equation, so we'll get the value of m into m plus p. So I'm using another slide over here. I'm writing the same expression in the another slide. So the equation formed was 8 into m plus a plus p plus m plus a is equals to 321, and we also got the value of m to be as 15 and a to be as 10. Now framing these two values here in this equation, that will become 8 into m plus a plus p plus 10 plus 15, that will be equals to 25, will be equals to 321. Solving this further, this will become 8 into m plus a plus p is equals to 321 minus 25, that will be equals to 296, and m plus a plus p is equals to 296 by 8. Solving this, 8 3 times will be 24, and this will become 5, and 56, 8 7 times will be 56. In that case, the value of m plus a plus p, that implies the value of 1 mango plus 1 apple plus 1 peach is equals to 37 rupees. Now coming back to the question slide, so the correct option is going to be option number A, that will be 37.